Carbohydrates, carbohydrates during digestion, they are converted into glucose. The glucose combines with oxygen in our cell of our body and provide energy. The name of this process or the name of this reaction is known as respiration. Let us define respiration. The process that starts with chewing of food to the digestion of food to obtaining energy from the food in our body cell, due to which carbon dioxide gas and water vapor along with energy is produced. Such process is called respiration. So we can easily understand that from taking the food and chewing it, and then digestion, and then assimilation, so that the food goes to the body cells, and in the body cell this glucose which is produced from the carbohydrate reacts with oxygen, and this oxygen, due to reaction of glucose with oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor and energy are produced, and the whole process is known as respiration. Chemical reaction for producing energy takes place in our body cell. Please remember that this reaction that we are going to study takes place only in our body cell. What happens that we have glucose. This glucose comes from carbohydrates, and this carbohydrate comes from food. This glucose reacts with oxygen. Where does it react? It reacts in the body cell. What is produced? Carbon dioxide gas and water gas, that is water vapor. What happens to these two? Goes to the lungs, and we breathe them out. Along with this carbon dioxide and water vapor, energy is also produced. We use this energy for doing work. Again, if you want to understand the same into the um, diagram or flowchart, food containing carbohydrate like rice, potatoes and breads, they are digested in our body. Due to digestion process we get glucose. This glucose is converted into two parts. One is carbon dioxide and water vapor, which we breathe out, and along with this carbon dioxide and water vapor, energy is also produced, and we utilize this energy to do our work. Now we have the sixth example. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. So, if we throw something out which is a food or which belongs to the vegetable, it decomposes itself and produces energy. And on this energy, there are many fungi or bacteria and some many other microorganisms. They get energy from this process. So, decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. So, this is how we can understand about the various uh, kind of reaction. You might have heard about the gobar gas plant. This is the kind of plant in which this vegetable matter decompose and produce methane gas, and that methane gas can be utilized to produce energy. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.